Good evening everyone. Today we study combination of capacitors. There are two types of combination of capacitors. First one is series combination and second is parallel combination. If three capacitors C1, C2 and C3 are joined in series combination with a battery of B volt and a key, then across the capacitance C1, C2 and C3 the potential are V1, V2 and V3. So in this case the net potential is V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. We know that the charge is Q is equal to CV, then the potential Vt is equal to Q upon C. By this equation, V1, the value of V1 is Q upon C1, V2 is Q upon C2 and V3 is Q upon C3. So student, put all these values V, V1, V2 and V3 in this equation. Then we find Q upon C is equal to Q upon C1 plus Q upon C2 plus Q upon C3. Then Q is taking common, that is 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. Q is cancel out, then the value of 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. This is the net capacitance in series combination. Now student, we study parallel combination. In parallel combination, there are three capacitors C1, C2 and C3 are joined in parallel combination with a potential of V volt. In this case, the charge transfer is Q, and in the capacitor C1, C2, C3, the charges are Q1, Q2 and Q3, and the potential is same across all the capacitors. So that total charge in this combination Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Now we put Q is equal to CV, Q1 is equal to C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V and Q3 is equal to C3V. Put all these charges in this equation, then we get CV is equal to C1V plus C2V plus C3V. Then we take in common V, and in the bracket C1 plus C2 plus C3. V to V cancel out. The net capacitance is C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 is the net capacitance in parallel combination. For n number of capacitors, the net capacitance is C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus that up to so on Cn. Similarly, we find the net capacitance in series combination, that is 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. So student, in this video we study combination of capacitors and the net capacitors in series combination and in parallel combination. Thank you so much students.